Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fuse in Sonic Speed Simulator. Fusion is a fantastic way to power up your fast friends, making them stronger and more effective in races. You'll find the fusion machine in various zones, often marked with an evolution sign. By fusing, you can significantly increase your fast friend's stats, helping you achieve higher scores and faster speeds. It's a core mechanic for progression. To begin fusing, you'll need a few key components. First, select the fast friend you wish to upgrade. This is your main friend. Then gather up to 5 additional fast friends to act as fuel for the fusion. Remember, these sacrificial friends must be at the same star level or lower than your main friend. Each attempt also costs red star rings, so make sure you have enough. While KO can be used, they provide minimal success chance. Once you have your fast friends and red star rings ready, head to the fusion machine. First, choose the fast friend you want to make stronger. Next, place up to 5 other fast friends into the fuel slots. Each one you add will increase your chance of a successful fusion. For a guaranteed upgrade, use 5 sacrificial fast friends that are all the same star level as your main one. If the chance is less than 100% and it fails, you keep your friends but lose the red star rings. Fusing offers significant benefits. A successful fusion doubles your fast friend step bonus. For example, a 1-star friend gets a 5-step bonus, which can reach 160 at 6 stars. Other bonus stats like magnet, stamina, and luck also see flat increases, usually by 2 points per level. To maximize your progress, always aim for guaranteed fusions when possible. This ensures your red star rings and fast friends are used effectively, building a powerful team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.